You load the washer, hit start, and walk away, only to come back and find a tub full of water and clothes that haven't moved an inch. Sound familiar? Before you panic and call a repair tech, take a breath. 9 times out of 10, this is something you can fix yourself in a few minutes. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 most common reasons your washing machine fills but won't spin. Plus, the error codes tied to each one, and exactly what to do about it. 1. Overloaded washer. Error codes. UE, UB, UL. The number 1 culprit? Too many clothes. When the drum's overloaded, the washer senses the imbalance and shuts down the spin cycle to protect itself. The fix is easy. Turn off the washer, pull out a few items, then spread the rest evenly around the drum. Restart the spin cycle and see if that solves it. 2. Unbalanced load error codes. UE, UB, DC. Sometimes it's not about quantity, it's about balance. Bulky items like blankets, towels, or jeans tend to clump together on one side of the drum. That throws things off, and the washer either stops spinning or starts shaking violently. Open the lid, redistribute the clothes evenly, and try again. 3. Door or lid won't lock. Error codes: DE, DL, F5. Most modern washers have a safety switch that keeps the drum from spinning unless the door or lid is fully closed and locked. If yours won't spin, check that the door is shutting all the way. If it still won't start, the lock or the lid switch itself may be faulty, and that's usually a part that needs replacing. 4. Washer isn't draining error codes. OE, 5E, ND. If there's still standing water in the drum, the spin cycle simply won't kick in. This usually comes down to a clogged drain hose, a blocked filter, or a jammed drain pump. Check the hose for kinks and clean out the pump filter if your model has one. And one safety reminder, always unplug the washer before you open it up or touch any internal parts. 5. Worn or broken. Drive belt. Error codes. E33. Older top-load washers rely on a belt to turn the drum. Over time, that belt can stretch, wear thin, or snap altogether. Here's the telltale sign. You hear the motor running, but the drum just sits there. If that's what's happening, the belt is likely the problem, and it'll need to be replaced. 6. Faulty motor coupling error. Codes: F7, E3. Some top-load machines use a small part called a motor coupling to connect the motor to the transmission. When it wears out or breaks, the washer might fill and drain just fine, but the drum won't turn. This one lives deep inside the machine, so unless you're comfortable taking it apart, this is a good time to call in a professional. 7. Motor or control board. Issue error codes: 3. E3, F7. Ruled out everything else? The problem might be deeper: the motor itself or the control board that runs it. These are the trickiest to diagnose and usually call for professional repair. My advice? Rule out every simple fix first before you spend money on expensive parts. So next time your washer fills up but won't spin, don't jump straight to calling a technician. Check the load size, balance the clothes, confirm the door is locked, and make sure the water's actually draining. 9 times out of 10, that's all it takes. If this video saved you a repair bill, do me a favor. Hit like and subscribe to DIYolution. More practical, no-nonsense home repair tips are on the way. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.